everybody, it's Ms. Salazar. So I have with me the grammar workbook. I'm on page 11 and I'm going to be discussing this page. I'm going to be giving you guys the answers. So this page talks about statements and questions. Now remember that a statement is a sentence that tells you something. It gives you information and it's going to end in a period. Now a question asks something. It's going to ask you a question. It's going to ask you something, right? And it's always going to end in a question mark. So these are going to be the end marks. This is the end mark for a statement. It ends with a period. And this is the end mark for a question, right? It's a question mark. So let's see. Let's take a look at number 1. Martise and her sister have 3 dolls. Martise and her sister have 3 dolls. It's not asking you anything. It's just telling you something. It's just giving you information. So number 1 is going to be period. That's going to be the end mark for number 1. It's going to be a statement. Number 2, the chicken flapped its wings. Again, is it asking you something? No, it's not asking you anything. It's just telling you something. It's giving you information. So number 2 is going to be a period. That is the end mark for number 2. Sentence number 2 is going to be a statement. Let's see, number 3. Where is the museum? Where is the museum? That's definitely a question. So sentence number 3 is a question and it ends with a question mark. Remember that also when it is a question, you're most likely going to have a question word. Where is a question word? Where is the museum? Number 4, is it my turn to play? That is also a question. It's asking you something. Is it my turn to play? So number 4 is going to be a question. So the end mark has to be a question mark, right? And you also have that question word is. Number 5, rain poured from the sky. Rain poured from the sky. It's not asking you anything. It's just telling you something. So number 5 is going to be a period. That is the end mark for number 5. So number 5 is going to be a period. It is a statement. It tells you something. Number 6, did you hear the news? Did you hear the news? That's definitely a question. It's asking you something. So number 6 is going to end in a question mark. Number 7, the bananas are ripe. The bananas are ripe. Is it asking you something? The bananas are ripe. Nope. It's not asking you anything. It's just telling you something. It's giving you information. It's telling you that the bananas are ripe. That's it. It's not asking you anything. So number 7 is a statement. So the end mark for sentence number 7 is going to be a period. So number 7 is going to be a period. Now number 8, will you read me a story? Will you read me a story? That is definitely a question. So number 8 is going to end in a question mark, right? If it's a question, it's always going to end in a question mark. Number 8 is a question. Will you read me a story? It ends in a question mark. Number 9, why do dogs pant? Why do dogs pant? Why? Why is what? Why is a question word. It's asking for a reason. Why? Why do dogs pant? And it's a question. So sentence number 9 is a question and it's going to end in a question mark. Now number 10, Mr. Patel, right? I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Mr. Patel takes photos. Is it asking you something? Nope, it's not asking you anything. It's just telling you something. So number 10 is going to be a statement. It's going to end in a period.